Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I like to show you how to add more than one photo on Facebook story. So let's have a look. First of all, launch on your Facebook application. Okay, this is your Facebook, and then tap on your add story option here. Tap it, and now select any photo from your gallery. That's it. Then you can add your finger to resize or add it. Okay. Then tap again on your sticker option here. Just tap on this, and then you get here the photo option here, gallery option. Just tap it, and now select any photo from here, and then you can resize or replace it, and tap again to change this frame like that, and then again tap this gallery option here and select another photo, and then you can custom it. Tap again to change frame like that, and then you can share on a story. So in this way you can add more than one photo on Facebook story very easily. So thank you everyone for watching this video.